grippy.
Not so grippy, not grippy enough. Oh. Maybe take a knife to the line. We should have opened this before we started that. If there were directions, all the directions we're gonna say is twist.
Twist and
Take a knife to like this part, maybe cut it a little. I don't know. Gentleman Jack, why are you so difficult?
because we're women.
Because we're women. Did you just say that? We're women. Is it?
It's metal, man.
It is? Do you have any male neighbors that you know? That we could like ask to open this for? Here, you take.
There's one guy.
Did you get it?
That was a lot easier than I thought. I was just like. Like I didn't apply any force. I was just like.
Yay! How does it smell?
Ooh.
Oh god, I'm excited.